Hello friends, today I am going to solve Government Degree College Assistant Professor examination which was conducted recently 15th March 2022. So I will solve only physics part here on. So without any delay, just let's start. Question 31. If one of the eigenvalues of the matrix 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 is 0, what is the other eigenvalues? So just solve diagonal subtract minus x, and after calculating determinant equivalent to 0, you will get two eigenvalues 0 and 2. So 0 already given, so 2 is the option. Question 32. For two equivalent electrons J1 equal to J2 equal to J, then in JJ coupling the possible terms are. So for JJ coupling, if they are not equivalent to different J1 J2, then J ranges from J1 plus J2 to J1 minus J2. In the case of when J1 equal to J2, that is equivalent electrons, then the terms are 2j minus 1, 2j minus 3, 2j minus 5, like that up to 0. So the possible terms is asking here, then the option C is correct. JJ 2j minus 1 is the correct. Question 33. The relation between the electric field vector E and displacement vector D and polarization vector P. Correct option is D. D equal to epsilon naught E plus P. Question 34. D'Alembert principle is used for reducing the problems of kinetic to equivalent statistical problem. Next question 35. Which of the following equation represents non-existence of isolated magnetic poles? Option B is correct. Divergence means field is diverged or converging from a particular source or point, but magnetic monopole doesn't exist. That is, there is not existence of isolated magnetic poles. Magnetic monopole doesn't exist in this space, so its divergence is 0 everywhere. So del dot B equal to 0. Question 36. In Zeeman levels, the energy levels corresponding to up and down orientation have values in terms of magnetic moment mu and external field H. Although it is not clearly saying about H, I am just keeping this question in gray list, cross check from your side. But here also it is asking about in terms of moment mu and H. So maybe some constant you can multiply by your side, taking that option A may be correct and B and C is completely wrong, and if A is not correct in that scenario, maybe D is the other option. Question 37. The probability that from two dice the sum of either 7 or 11 is obtained. Make the combination. For 7 it is 1 6 2 5 3 4 4 3 5 2 6 1, and for 11 5 6 and 6 5. The total 8 combinations are there, and 2 times, then it is 6 into 6. So 2 by 9 is the correct option. Question 38. A system in contact with a heat reservoir can most suitable be represented by a canonical ensemble. A canonical ensemble is the statistical ensemble that represents the possible states of a mechanical system in thermal equilibrium with a heat bath at a fixed temperature. For grand canonical, if the reservoir particle reservoir and heat reservoir, then in that condition it can be a grand canonical. Here it is just heat reservoir or heat bath, so it is a canonical ensemble. Question 39. A rigid body consists of a large number of particles n equal to 10 to the power 28. How many independent generalized coordinates are required to describe the rigid body? If the coordinates are independent of one another, the number of independent generalized coordinates is defined by the number of degree of freedom ऑफ द सिस्टम. तो यहाँ पर रिजिड बॉडी कह रहा है, रिजिड बॉडी के लिए डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम क्या होगा? 6 ही रहेगा. तो इन दैट सिनेरियो टोटल नंबर ऑफ जनरलाइज्ड कोऑर्डिनेट्स मे बी इक्विवेलेंट टू 6 ओनली. इफ अ सिस्टम ऑफ n free particles, in that condition your degree of freedom is 3n, but here it is a rigid body. Question 40. Which of the mode of operation of transistor used in the inverter circuit? Cutoff mode and saturation mode is used for switching devices. I am not very sure about the inverter circuit, so just it is in gray list. Possible option may be D. Cross check from your side. Question number 41. Magnetic moment of an electron in a Bohr orbit of radius Rn is proportional to which of the following? Okay, so it is proportional to square root Rn. The magnetic moment mu equal to minus E by 2ml, that's why mu proportional to n and your Rn proportional to n square, that implies mu proportional to square root Rn. So option C is correct. Question number 42. In high energy NP scattering cross section shows a dip near 90 degree due to higher angular momentum state. Option C is correct. The energy dependence of NP scattering data indicates that higher angular momentum are involved with increasing incident energy. Question 43. The total scattering cross section can be written in terms of the phase shift. It is a direct formula. D is correct. Sigma equal to 4 pi divided by k square summation L0 to infinity 2l plus 1 sin square del L. Question 44. Quadrupole moment is exhibited by. So for spherical nuclei it is 0 and ellipsoidal nuclei it is non-zero. So option B is correct. 45. A Zener diode can be put to break down by applying. तो Zener breakdown occurs when we apply reverse bias to a heavily doped diode. So here option B may be correct. Question number 46. 5 particles are distributed in 2-phase cells. The number of microstates. If a closed system composed of n particles and p compartment, the total number of microstates to p raised to power n. So here 2-phase cells and total particles are 5. So just 2 raised to power 5, 32 possible microstates. Superfluid has. The superfluid has 0 entropy. Question 48. Index of refraction for ordinary glass relative to air is 1.5. What will be the critical angle? At critical angle, light traveling from a higher refractive index, मतलब from glass to air, to a lower refractive index medium will be refracted at 90 degree. So your theta 2 is equal to 90 degree, n2 it is for air 1. So this side is 1. So n1 is equal to 1.5 and sin theta 1 at critical angle. So theta 1 is equal to theta c, it equal to sin inverse 1 divided by 1.5 or 41.8 degree. So option A is correct here. Which of the following cannot be obtained from rotational levels? So rotational energy level Ej is equal to h cut square by 2I j plus 1. So you can calculate moment of inertia. I is here. Internuclear distances, because I contains mr square. So r is there. So you can calculate this internuclear distance and rotational frequencies as well by the transition. So according to this, maybe force constant, option B is correct option. 50. The wave function for a particle in one-dimensional box length L given by psi n is equal to square root 2 by L sin n pi x by L. Evaluate the expectation value for the kinetic energy for a particle in the nth quantum state. H cut square pi square n square by 2 ml square are in terms of only h. So it is n square h square by 8 ml square. So option B is correct. Question 51. Nuclear forces are, it is short range forces. 52. Which of the following has 0 spin? So Cooper pair has 0 spin. Given kinetic energy this and potential energy this, what is Hamiltonian? I am keeping this in gray list, just cross check from your side. So Hamiltonian is equal to T kinetic energy plus potential energy, but here contains some terms of r dot, that's why I am little bit confused here. So just cross check from your side. Question 54. Which of the following is acceptable wave function? So acceptable wave function is that it has some property, it should be some finite value, okay, but in the case of A, if I put infinity here, x is equal to infinity, so it is not finite. Infinity here, infinity. So only acceptable wave function is equal to psi equal to sin x. Question 55. The reciprocal lattice of BCC lattice is FCC lattice and vice versa. Reciprocal lattice of FCC is BCC and of BCC is a FCC. Question 56. If the uncertainty in the velocity of a particle is equal to its velocity, calculate the uncertainty in its position in terms of its de Broglie wavelength lambda. So delta x delta p equivalent to h cut by 2 or h by 4 pi. So your delta v equal to v. So by keeping this delta x p equal to h by 4 pi. So h by p equal to lambda, de Broglie wavelength, delta x equal to lambda by 4 pi. So C is correct option. 57. Calculate coherence length for a laser beam for which bandwidth equal to 3000 Hz. So coherence length is equal to C tau c or C by delta nu. So this is your bandwidth. So just find out. So 100 km is the correct option. Question 58. The energy stored in volume V of electric field is. So the energy stored per unit volume in an electric field is equal to half epsilon naught A square energy density. Just multiply by V. This could be one option. I am little bit confused about this B or C. Question 59. 3He and 4He are two isotopes of helium. Which of the following is true? 4He is boson, 3He is fermion. It is not a boson. So option D is correct. 60. Which of the following is not a strong bond? Van der Waals forces are not strong and strongest bond is covalent. Van der Waals are the weakest and covalent is the strongest. Question 61. Potential energy versus displacement curve of harmonic oscillator is. So potential energy is equal to half kx square. So it show the parabolic curve. So option C is correct. Neutrino is emitted in beta decay. Question 63. Which of the following is correct relation between common emitter current gain beta and common base current gain alpha? So option C is correct. Beta equal to alpha divided by 1 minus alpha. Question 64. The quantized nature of atomic energy states is exhibited by Frank-Hertz experiment. Question 65. How many Bravais lattices are possible in 3 dimensions? 14, 15. Question 66. The radial wave function of the hydrogen atom are given in terms of the Lagrange polynomials. 67. A material exhibits spontaneous magnetization. It must be ferromagnetic. Question 68. Which of the following is not eigenfunction of the operator d2 by dx square? So option D is correct. Taking 2 times derivative to a constant value, not an eigenfunction. And in all the cases, it will repeat their function. So that's why it is a eigenfunction, but D is not. Question 69. Which of the following is not correct? So mesons are stable. This is not correct. Baryons are fermions. It's okay. And mesons are bosons. Also correct. Baryons are hadrons. This also okay. So option B is not correct. So mesons are stable. It is not correct. So mesons are not stable. Question 70. The first law of thermodynamics is equivalent to conservation of energy. Question 71. The period of sin t is equal to pi. Just see this and this. So pi is the time period. Question 72. The eigenfunction of the wave function for a periodic potential are block function. Question 73. Time dependent Schrodinger equation is minus h square by 2m del 2 plus V psi equal to I h del psi by del t. Correct option. Question 74. The metastable state of the helium atom decays by magnetic dipole transition. Okay, this is 1s, 2s. It is your metastable state, and 1s2 is a ground state. So this transition is forbidden for dipole transition. That's why it decay via the magnetic dipole transition. Question 75. Which one of the following is a simple harmonic motion? The particle moving in a circle with uniform speed is a simple. Question 76. As reverse bias across the collector base junction increases, the width of the collector base depletion layer increases and the effective width of the base decreases. This is called Early effect. Early is not a usual Early. Okay, it is a scientist name. Question 77. Electric field in a non-magnetic medium is E equal to 4 sin 2 pi into 10 to power 7 t minus 0.8 x k v per meter. Relative permittivity will be omega t minus kx. So k equal to 0.8, omega is equal to 2 pi into 10 to power 7. So mu is mu naught because it is non-magnetic. So epsilon is equal to epsilon naught and epsilon r. So it is asking for epsilon r. Relative permittivity. Omega by k equal to v. Or k equal to omega square root mu epsilon. So just solve it. So your option is equal to 12 by pi whole square. Question 78. The structure of carbon nanotube is hexagonal. Question 79. At nil temperature in a magnetic material, so your susceptibility is maximum. So option D is correct. Which of the following has permanent electric dipole moment? Carbon monoxide CO. Question 81. Which of the following laws does not form a Maxwell's equations? So Planck's law. It does not form the Maxwell's equations. Otherwise, Gauss law, the electricity del dot equal to rho by epsilon naught, del dot b equal to 0, Faraday's laws, del cross E equal to minus del v by del t, Ampere's laws, del cross b equal to mu naught j plus 1 by c square del e by del t. Question 82. Quantum dot solar cells are based on Gratz-Gel cell. Quantum dot solar cells are based on the Gratz-Gel cell or dye-sensitized solar cell. Like solar cells, Gratz-Gel cell convert sunlight energy into electric current, but they do not store energy. Question 83. The Lagrangian for the particle is given by L equal to half m r dot square plus r square theta dot square minus vr. Identify the cyclic coordinate. The cyclic coordinate is equal to theta because there is no terms of theta involved here. That's why it is a cyclic coordinate. So B is correct option. Question 84. Maximum rectification efficiency of a full wave rectifier is 81.2%. Question 85. The gauge transformation in which del dot A equal to 0 is called? It is called as Coulomb gauge. Del dot A equal to 0 Coulomb gauge and del dot A equal to minus mu naught epsilon naught del v by del t called as Lagrange gauge. Question 86. The magic numbers are related to which nuclear properties? Stability. Question 87. In the general solution of second order differential equation d2y by dx square minus 2 alpha dy by dx plus alpha square y equal to 0, one term contains e raised to power alpha x, then its second term will be constant times auxiliary equation, so d2 minus 2 alpha d plus alpha square is equal to 0. So it is showing the repeated roots. So for repeated roots, your solution is equal to c1 plus c2x raised to power e power alpha x. Okay, so already e power alpha x is given there. Then second term must be x e raised to power alpha x. So option C is correct option. At question 88, the ratio of intensities of D1 and D2 lines of sodium at high temperature is. The intensity ratio is defined as 2J1 plus 1 divided by 2J2 plus 1. For D1, it is transition from P half to S half. Your J1 equal to half. This D2 P3 by 2 to S half. So J value is equal to 3 by 2. So ratio is equal to 1:2. Option D is correct. Question 89. In beta decay of nucleus, mass number remains unchanged but atomic number changes. Question 90. The first derivative of Gibbs function is continuous in second order phase transition. Okay, so for second order phase transition, the first order derivative are continuous but the second order derivatives are discontinuous. So option B is correct only. Question 91. Primary cosmic rays are composed of very energetic protons. So primary cosmic rays are composed mainly of protons and alpha particles, 99%. Question 92. A man is running on a 100-meter straight track. The number of degree of freedom associated with the motion of the man is. So here option A is correct, 1 degree of freedom. But since distance is fixed, so maybe 0 is another option. To just cross check from your side, either 1 or 0. It is also in gray list. Just check from your side. Question 93. As the isotopic mass of mercury decreases for superconducting state, so there is a relation isotopic mass and your critical temperature Tc. Tc equal to inversely proportional to square root of isotopic mass. So isotopic mass of mercury decreases, then your temperature, critical temperature will slightly increase. So option A is correct. Question 94. If phi is a scalar function and A is a vector function, then which of the following quantity is non-vanishing? A and B are vanishing. Curl of grad phi is equal to 0, divergence of curl A is equal to 0, but you see it is not vanishing quantity. So option C is correct. Question 95. The free electron density in a superconductor is, it should be finite at absolute 0. Cross check from your side, it is in gray list from my side. Question 96. Phase difference between the output and input voltage of common emitter amplifier is 180 degree. So 97. Gamma emission is associated with transition between nuclear energy levels. 98. Maxwell's electromagnetic waves are purely transverse. Question 99. The relation between Einstein B21 and B12 coefficient, the ratio is equal to 1:1. Option D is correct. Question 100. What is the speed of electromagnetic waves in free space? So option C is correct. 1 divided by square root mu naught epsilon naught. 101. The spin and parity of 4 beryllium-9 nucleus as predicted by cell model are respectively. This is your increasing order of energy. There are 4 protons and 5 neutrons. So just fill the odd numbers, odd nuclei. So odd nuclei is neutrons here. 5 neutrons number. For 1s half there are 2 neutron and capacity of p3 by 2. Matlab 4 neutron can be filled here. So 2 already taken here. So rest of the 3 neutron will go in this 1p3 by 2. So 3 neutron here. So your last nuclei is going in p3 by 2. This spin is equal to 3 by 2 and your parity, for parity equal to minus 1 raised to power L. So for P, L value is equal to 1 here. So minus 1 raised to power 1, that implies negative. So negative parity or odd. So option A is correct. Question 102. Which of the following is correct about depletion region capacitance? It depends upon the magnitude of reverse voltage. Question 103. Anti-Stokes and Stokes lines are observed in Raman effect. Question 104. Match list 1 to list second. ठीक है. तो scalar it is a mass, vector velocity, scalar product work done and vector product torque. So option A is correct. 105. Hall voltage is produced at right angle to the direction of both current and magnetic field. Option C is correct. Question 106. Raman effect involves change in the frequency of. So Raman effect involves vibrational states of molecule only, but I am keeping this in gray list. Maybe sometimes there are rotational Raman spectroscopy also available there. Option B can also be correct. Vibrational and rotational states of molecule. Question 107. The quantum of energy in an elastic wave is called phonon. Question 108. The value of the commutator bracket x px is IH cut. Question 109. The Bezier theory of superconductivity is based on attractive electron lattice electron interactions. Okay, it needs some attractive forces. Question 110. What will be the state of polarization if x and y components of electric field are given here? So just square and add them. So Ex square plus Ey square is equal to E naught square, because it is sin square some value, cos square some value. So 1. So it is showing the circular. So option C is correct. Question 111. Natural radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. Option C is correct. Question 112. Assume that the surface of the sun emits as a black body at the temperature of 6000 Kelvin if the light from the sun has Maximum intensity of the wavelength 4800 angstrom. What is the value of Wien's constant? Use the formula T and lambda maximum equal to Wien's constant. Calculate. So it is 0.288 centimeter Kelvin. Option A is correct. Question 113. According to quantum mechanics for a free particle, so energy levels are continuous because its energy is equal to p square by 2m and it can take any values. So that's why it is continuous. Question 114. In Debye model, the lattice heat capacity at low temperature varies as t raised to power cube. 115. A particle in the infinite square well has the initial wave function psi x0 equal to a x a minus x 0 less than x less than a. Constant a will be. Find out just normalization constant a. So it is square root 30 divided by a raised to power 5. So option C is correct. Question 116. Carbon 60 exhibits symmetry of Saucer shape. Question 117. What is Fourier transform of unity? The Fourier transform of unity is equal to delta function delta x, and sometimes somewhere it is 2 pi delta. So just I am also keeping this in gray list. Cross check from your side. It may be either delta s or 2 pi delta s. Question 118. The packing fraction of a FCC lattice is 0.74. Question 119. The reaction taking place in a solar and stellar atmosphere are thermonuclear. Question 120. At the same temperature, which of the following will exert maximum pressure? The Bose gas or Bosson's gas has lower pressure as compared to the classical gas, and Fermi gas has the higher pressure. So highest pressure exerted by the fermions because they also follow the Pauli exclusion principle. They repel to each other. That's why it is showing the highest pressure. I will put the correct answer given by the Ayog in the pinned message whenever Ayog provide a answer key. So just cross check these questions as well from your side, and if there is some wrong answers then just write in the comment box. Okay, for the time being, thank you. Bye bye.